Hello students, very good morning. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today for class 8 students, we are going to discuss assignment number 64 on logarithms. Let us start with the first question. If the logarithm of a number is minus 3.153, then mantis of the number is. So, if you look at the given logarithm of a number, let us take log x is minus 3.153. Okay, so if it is the case, don't straight away take minus 3 as the characteristic and 153 as the mantis. Of course, dot point 153. Why it is not correct? Because minus 3.153 means it is minus 3 minus 0.153. That is the meaning of minus 3.153. In this case, if at all you take 0.153 as mantissa, that is a negative component. Mantissa of a logarithm can never be negative. So I cannot take it as minus 0.153 or 0.153 as mantissa. What to do? You have to make this part positive. How to do that? Add up 1 and subtract 1. How to do that? Minus 3 minus 1, let us write here. Plus 1 minus 0.153. We are not changing the value, we are changing the form. That is otherwise, minus 3 minus 1, this is a characteristic part that becomes minus 4. And plus this part is going to be 0.847. Fine. Now this can be represented as 4 bar decimal 847. Now this 4 bar part becomes a characteristic and 0.847 becomes a mantissa. So it is positive. So here out of the given options, the fourth option is the mantissa value of the given logarithm number. Fine. Let us see the next question. If the mantis of logarithm of 713.3, 719.3 to the base 10, what is it saying? We have logarithm of 719 decimal 3.3 to the base 10. Whenever you are trying to find out the logarithm, first we have to write its characteristic. How to write the characteristic? Number of digits in integral position. In integral position we have 3 digits. So the characteristic will be 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 is the characteristic decimal. And what is the mantissa? Mantissa we have to find out using the logarithmic table. But here he is giving that. What is that? 8569. Decimal 8569. So that is the logarithmic value of 719.3 to the base 10. Similarly, what is asking? What is the logarithmic? What is the mantissa of logarithm of 71.93 to the base 10? Okay, so that is otherwise. We can write here the characteristic will be 1 decimal 71.93. The digits are same, so mantissa remains unchanged. So we have here it has 8569 only. Okay, so the characteristic is only changing here, not the mantissa. So the mantissa remains unchanged and it is 0.8569. Only the mantissa he is asking. So to the same base, of course, that is understood. Now let us see the next question. Let n is equal to 10 power log 2 minus 2 log 10 cube, okay, plus log 10 power 6 whole square. First let us try to simplify and then whatever he is asking let us try to solve. That is 10 power log 2 minus 2 log. If you apply power rule here, it will be 3 log 10. 3 log 10 base 10, that is understood as base as 10. 3 log 10 base 10 is nothing but 3 times of 1, that is 3. So I can write here the value as 3 plus log of, here also 6 comes before log, that is 6 log 10 base 10, that is again 6 into 1, that is 6. So I have to write here 6, of course we have square for that. So that is going to be 10 power log 2 minus 2 log 3 is nothing but log 3 square, that is log 9 plus log 36 I can write. If you simplify further, that is going to be 10 power log 2 into 36, that is 72 upon 9. Of course, that is equal to 10 power log 8, base is 10, that is n. So n is equal to 10 power log 8 base 10. We have a power log n base a as n. So its value becomes 8. n is 8. Fine. Now what is asking? What is the characteristic of logarithm of n to the base 3? Log n to the base 3. If you know log n to the base 3 value, we can find out the characteristic of that. Log n base 3 is nothing but log 8 base 3. Log 8 base 3 is nothing but 8 can be written as 2 cube. That is 3 times of log 2 to the base 3. That is given by 3 times of 0.6089 approximately. Fine. You can find it out by taking log 2 by log 3. Log 2 is 0.3010 by log 3 is 0.4771. If you divide, you are going to get the result as 0.6089. That approximate to be, see, 3 9s are 27, 2, 3 8s are 24, 26, 2. This is 2, 3 6 are 18, 1.8267. So this is the logarithmic value of n to the base 3. Then its characteristic is how much? 1. The rest of the part is mantissa. So here I can say the characteristic of this value is 1. What is the first option for us? Okay. Now let us see the next question. Let x is equal to 0.15 to the power 20. Find the characteristic and mantissa of the logarithm of x to the base 10. Assume log 2 to the base 10 and log 3 to the base 10. Solution, let us take. X is given as 0.15 power 20. Let us apply logarithm of base 10 on the both sides. What do you have now? I can write 20 log 0.15 to the base 10. Right? That is otherwise 20 times of log 0.15. How to write 0.15 as 15 by 100. What is that? 15 by 100 to the base 10. That is 20 into log 15 can be written as log 2 into 3, log 3 into 5, because 2 and 3 are given. Okay, 2 and 3 are given here. We can write it as log 3 into log 5. So log 3 plus log 5, let me write, minus log, because 100 is in denominator question, you have to write minus log 10 square. I can write it as log 10 square, of course to the base 10. 10 square is given, right? So that is otherwise 20 times of log 3 we can write as it is. What about log 5? Log 5 is not given here. Log 5 can be written as log 10 by 2. Log 10 by 2 is nothing but log 10 base 10 minus log 2 base 10 minus this is 2 itself, because 2 log 10 to the base 10 is nothing but 2 here. So finally what do you have? This as 20 times of this is log 3 plus log 10 base 10 is 1 minus log 2 to base 10 minus 2. That is otherwise 20 times of log 3 base 10 minus log 2 base 10. Log 3 base 10 is 0.477. Okay. Now log 2 base 10 is 0.301 as per given. Minus 0.301. Minus 1 of course, because 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So that is 20 times of, what you can write? 0.477 and it is 0.301. You subtract, what you are going to have? This is or else these two we can add up, or we can say 1.301. Instead of that we do this 0.477. That is 11 minus 7, that is 4. Here it is 10 we have 9, we have 9 minus 7, that is 2, and it is 12 minus 4, that is 8. 0.824, that is 0.82. Okay, and in place of that we have here negative sign, minus 0.824. So minus 0.824 into, here we have minus 0.824 times of 20. So here I can say it as 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. So it is 1.648, that is 16.48, minus 16.48, minus 16.48. But whenever you want to find out characteristic in mantissa, what to write? It has to be written as minus 17 plus minus, because it is equal to minus 16 minus 0.48. So if you want to find out characteristic in mantissa, add up 1 and subtract 1. So that is minus 17 plus 1 minus 0.48. 1 minus 0.4 is nothing but 0.52. So here minus 17 we write as 17 bar, that is a characteristic, and mantissa is 0.52. So characteristic of this particular value is 17 bar and mantissa is 0.52. Okay, so that is the end of this assignment. Thank you. Have a great day.